Hello, Nakshi. So, yes, happy 2026. Ayan. So, coffee talk natin today is 2026 goals and, of course, plus manifestation. So, ayun na nga. So, ano nga ba yung 2026 goals nyo? Hindi yung pang Instagram goals lang ha. Hindi yung para lang may masabi lang na, ano talaga yung gusto ng puso mo. Ayan. So, kasi minsan ang goals natin galing sa ingay ng paligid. Sabi nila, dapat ganito ka na by this age. Sabi nila, dapat may ganito ka na by this year. Pero actually, ikaw ba? Ikaw talaga, ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? So, 2026 is not about doing everything. It's about doing what's aligned. So, ngayon, tanungin mo yung sarili mo. Gusto mo ba ng peace? Gusto mo ba ng stability? Gusto mo ba ng soft life, pero may malaking pera sa bangko? Or gusto mo lang gumising na hindi mabigat yung dibdib mo? So, kahit ano pa yung goal mo dyan, lahat yan valid. Walang maliit o malaki sa manifestation. Now, let's talk about manifesting. Pero yung totoo hindi yung delulu version. So, manifestation is not magic. It's clarity plus intention plus aligned action. Hindi sapat na sana yumaman ako, pero araw-araw naman na takot kang mag-try, right? Hindi rin sapat na sana mahalin ako, pero ayaw mo naman bitawan yung bare minimum. So, here's your coffee talk manifestation technique. Alright. So, step one, write it like it already happened. So, get a journal, kahit cheap notebook, okay na yan. Energy doesn't care about surprise ng gagamitin mo. So, isulat mo dito, thank you 2026 because, diba? So, kunyari, thank you 2026 because financially calm na ako. Thank you 2026 because I finally choose myself. Or you can also write, thank you 2026 because I'm doing work that doesn't drain my soul. Mga ganyan. So, important, huwag puro result. Isama mo din yung feelings mo because the universe responds to emotion, not grammar. Okay? Step 2, be specific, be kind to yourself. Hindi mo naman kailangan ng 20 to 100 goals. Kahit tatlo lang na malinaw is enough. So, when writing a goal, sabi mo, or tanungin mo yung sarili mo, what do I want more of? What do I want less of? What am I financially ready to release? And of course, Nakshi, kung ang isusulat mo ay rest, boundaries, or peace, that is already a success. Step 3, leave space for growth. Sa dulo ng page, isulat mo, or something better aligned for me. Or something na mas mabuti pa para sa akin. Kasi minsan may mas magaling ang universe sa plot twist kaysa sa atin. At yung inaakala mong goal, stepping stone lang pala. Now, ito rin yung isang important na part. Pagkatapos ng taon na 'to, balikan mo yung mga sinulat mo, basahin mo ulit. Tignan mo kung alin ang natupad, alin ang nagbago, at alin yung hindi natupad. Pero hindi siya natupad pero mas masaya ka pa rin, 'di ba? Because manifestation is not about control, it's about trust plus courage plus consistency. So next, habang iniinom mo yung kape mo ngayon, ask yourself gently, if 2026 could hear me clearly, kung maririnig ako ng malinaw ng 2026, ano ang hihilingin ko ng walang takot? Ano ang hihilingin ko without fear? So, isulat mo, i-claim mo, trabahuin mo, and that's it. So, ayun lang. Until next time, hindi to kulam. Chika lang. Bye!